So this much we have completed. Now over here we'll do one cooler. So for that, I'm drawing one. It's already over there. It's already over there. Now we'll cut with the slipping line and standing line here. Now from this point connect up to this horizon line. So the inner part will erase. This inner section also will erase. So here you can do some cupboard kind of. Or any cooler or something you can add over here. In this part we'll do one couch. So for that we'll draw one. First the square shape, upper part we'll check with the vanishing and we'll connect it. This one, and this one. Connected. Now here I will cut it. And this one is cutted over here, right? Now just cut the height of the couch. So from this, check, this is the height, and this side also will do. Fine. Now the upper portion, this line we are going to erase because we are not going to do any armrest for this. That's enough. Height and the back, we'll do the back with slipping, vanishing. From here we'll draw the straight line, here also straight line. Same, we'll connect this one. So this is the couch. Back side we'll erase everything. This side also we'll erase everything. This is the thickness. Fine, over there it's done. Now here also you can do some cushions. So for that you just draw the first line, connect with this, connect with this. So you get the base over here, cut it. The middle part, erase it. Inside of the cushion, erase the extra lines. Okay, done. Now here I want one chair, so for that also same manner you draw the rectangle square box. Connect with this, connect with this, connect with this visible point. Now up to here, so we'll cut it over here, the straight line and the skipping line. Fine. Cut the height. This point also you have to connect with the vanishing shape. This is now this point also we have to connect with the vanishing. Okay, now from here we'll cut it back, and definitely this point also going to connect. This is the height, sorry, width of the chair, back side of the chair. So here is your skipping line, and from there don't be confused. This part I was confused because of this line. Now immediately erase the extra line, otherwise same manner you feel confused like me. Okay, now here we'll do the armrest. This one also going to connect with the vanishing, and this one also going to connect with the vanishing. Now up to this much is the width of the armrest. Okay, now we'll do the back. So for that, this upper portion of the square please erase, so that you will not be confused. Less confusion will go, your work will be good. Okay, so this one is done. Now similarly we have this line here to there, we'll connect first with this line. Now we'll connect with this, which is this one. Same manner we'll connect over here. So this is the back up to this much. This is the down. Okay, erase this extra lines here. Armrest is done. Up to this much, here is the line. So this one we have done standing. Over here also we will do standing. So rest of the thing, first let me clean it and then connect it properly. It's finished. The chair. Completed. Extra lines I'm erasing first. Now we'll do one carpet over here. So this one up to this much is the carpet. Definitely it will connect with the vanishing rays. slipping, up to this, little bit extend it, this line is not required, and this point will it is, otherwise we'll keep over here, not inside of the chair, up to this much. Connect with the vanishing. You can make it thicker, this part. Bit of session, and in between you can make lines, slipping lines. For inner design or bus. That's okay. It's finished. Now rest of this, what is finished, remain over here. I want 2 paintings. For that, just connect this, raise, connect the down, raise. Cut it over here. Slipping line, standing line. This is the thickness of the canvas. Here one more. So you have the baseline, no need to do anything, only just draw 2 vertical lines and then draw the thickness. This is near to you, the thickness will be slightly bigger than the inner one. Erase the lines. So in this manner you can create an interior 1-point perspective drawing. Rest some more elements I will draw over here, same manner. So only you have to focus that slipping line and standing line should be same. Whatever the alignment of the lines, you have to do the same. But when you go inside, that should be connected with this vanishing point. This is the thing of 1-point perspective drawings. So now rest of the portion I will complete, and in the thumbnail part you can check the full shading drawing of this interior one. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you feel this video is useful for you, please give a thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. ये वीडियो अपलोड करने में थोड़ा टाइम लग गया मुझे because of some reason. So that's all. Okay, thank you so much.